Okay, changed the fuel filter on my E350 with the 351 Windsor. Somebody's put a fuel filter on it with the short shank, and it puts the fuel line all the way up against the filter where you can't get a tool in there to unclamp it. So I end up having to break the clips inside the line off to get them off. Somebody, I don't know if didn't pay attention or that's all the parts store had at the time, but that's the way it should look like. Long shank where you can get the tool in there. So anybody else has that trouble, a little 3-minute job can turn into an hour running around finding the clips that goes back in those lines. Picked them up at O'Reilly's for like $6. Come to $6 to a pack. Okay, see ya.